So yeah, I just received this Amazon package. I will spoil you. There are some AirPods Max. Also have these Bose, you know, which are pretty nice actually, but I don't use them. Too much stuff. Oh, look at this. Damn. Is this the future? Wow. It's always nice to receive and, you know, open a new Apple product. It's like this feeling is unique, right? Because the packaging look pretty nice. This is the important about branding and packaging and all this stuff. This is really cool, you know, that is like a magnet. It's cool, yeah. Sí, bueno. Also, most of my days here is just, as you know, visiting there. Sometimes I also play guitar. It's an acoustic guitar. Lately I don't play that much, you know. I can play for you. I can play for you. And yeah, like sometimes. Sometimes I'm just playing, you know, like it's a way of relaxing. No, it's not. How do you say this in English? It's not calibrated. It's not. Yeah, welcome to Dubai. Okay guys, we changed the location. I have to pick up some stuff from Dubai Mall, from Mont Blanc store, because maybe you can think, you know, it's stupid to spend like $1,000 on some pens, and I agree. In a way, it's really stupid. But you know, with the Chinese people, when you are doing good in business, you are creating new businesses, you give a pen as a gift. Okay, so I will be giving a pen to my supplier, my partner in China, and also for my friend, which is Chinese too, Jing. You will meet him. He's a really nice guy. And yeah, that's it. Here is hot as fuck. You know, the sun is here. It's just for the for the video. I'm dying here, but it's okay. Coffee or cappuccino?
Okay, cappuccino.
I want a tea.
Tea,
Yeah,
green tea.
Green tea.
The notebook and that's for you.
This is the one for me? This is everything?
This is two items. A
really?
notebook with the pen.
It's a really big box for 2 items.
Small size. In terms of the size, right?
Yeah, like taking with me in the plane and the cabin.
It's totally fine.
Ah, okay.
You want big shopping bag? You want to keep everything?
This is for me, so I don't care. I will just
Okay.
open it. It's just for this.
So we can do it.
Okay. That is
And
perfect.
easy to carry it as well.
Okay. Okay, perfect. Thank you so much.
No problem.
Thank you.
To Spain?
Well, first I have to go to Thailand, China, Japan, then back to Dubai, and then to Spain.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the government does nothing about it.
They just look.
Yeah, no, really. They just look. Where are you from?
Syria.
Ah, Syria.
But I was planning to travel there. Then
To Spain?
Yeah.
Well, it's only Valente. If you go to the rest of places,
it's okay.
it's nice. Yeah.
¿Sabes lo que me encanta? Aquella puerta, tío.
¿Qué pasará ahí? This is in China, in Beijing. Food there, this guy is fucking dying.
Not in China for many years already, so I'm not so in the trend with them anymore.
Okay. Okay. That's sad.
Your experience buying in Mont Blanc?
Wow, incredible, amazing, amazing. Yo.
40K, man. In the bag.
At least.
Qué malo soy pillando con la palilla.
I'm the kind of guy that makes the bed at night. Yeah. So, quick update. I'm going to have a call now with a friend of mine that has a brand, you know, a DTC brand, and he's selling in US right now. He has the warehouse in US, but he wants to sell worldwide. Yeah, I will be offering him our warehouse in China, so he can start shipping worldwide. The thing is to do it as soon as possible, actually, because this way he can approach the Black Friday. It shouldn't take much, you know, only to send the stock to our warehouse and set up a couple of things. And yeah. Claro, porque si ya tienes que pagar el envío y luego tienes que pagar también el DS, dices, coño, ya es demasiado. How is it going? I haven't picked up the camera for some days now. I will be leaving Dubai in a week, more or less. And yeah, I'm also having coffee in my super cup. And yeah, you know, these days are being of just work, you know, meetings, set up a lot of things, planning the trips. I will be going to my warehouse in China. We want to expand it to offer it to other DTC brands. Currently, we are doing so well. We are optimizing all the processes, all the strategies we are using, and everything is going smoothly. I would say, like compared with a year ago, we have improved so much things on the warehouse. It's been some crazy days, you know, because November is tomorrow, and we also have the USA election, which let's see how it will impact on our cost, on our ad spend cost. Black Friday is pretty soon. We are preparing all the stuff, all the strategies, preparing the team for the days that are coming. Also, because I will be traveling, I'm not sure if I will have the time and attention that I want to put, you know, these days. So I'm a little bit, a little bit cautious that everything will go as best as possible. Last year it was a great Black Friday, and this year we improved so much things. We invested so much in content, quality, on packaging, on branding, on everything. So yeah, let's see. You know, I'm pretty excited. I would say I'm pretty excited also for the new projects that are coming. You know, we want to offer fulfillment for other DTC brands, also packaging. Yeah, and yeah, man. What to say? You know, this is a beautiful journey. I'm really enjoying it. For me, all of this is just a gift. You know, if tomorrow you say to me you have nothing, you own nothing, I could start again on my parents' house, on my parent house. Sorry for my pronunciation. And you know, it kind of remove pressure on me. You know, because you have these high standards that you want to make. You know, for example, I want to double the revenue compared with last year, and you put these high standards, this high pressure, and it's like, man, you are really living the dream. This is what I dreamed like a lot of years ago. I started in 2017. I'm currently 24, you know, so it's already 7 years on this. And we don't usually realize in the position we are now, everything we build, you know, the relations we have, and all the people involved, just because of you, you know, because of what you created. That is really crazy, you know, when you go to the warehouse or with your team, and all the people is there because once you had a dream, you know, a vision, and you went for it, and you did it. It's like you fucking did it, but you never say that because you always have new goals, and you are always like, nah, it's not enough. I need to fulfill this new goal, and you never stop and say like, I did it, because it kind of limits your mind. Like, no, I still didn't do it. You know, I have a long way to go still. So yeah, this is pretty curious. I think I don't know. I wanted to express this with you, which I think is curious thoughts, right? So yeah, this is the life of a young entrepreneur here in Dubai. I spend most of my days, yes, here working, having meetings and stuff. And you know, funny thing is that I arrived here to Dubai like a couple of months ago, and I haven't go to any restaurant yet. Like, I order food every day, you know. I haven't gone to any restaurant yet, you know. So yeah, I'm having like these days so lonely, you know, with myself, just working. But it's pretty nice, you know. I enjoy this, I enjoy that, and just building it. And yeah, I hope that all of you are living your happiest life, your fullest life, and that you are enjoying every step you are making. You know, that is the important thing. It's not the result. Once you arrive, you have new goals, as I said before. I really hope you are living your best life, that you are enjoying every step you're doing, and be conscious about you, about your life, about the world, about the universe. Be conscious about that. It's not all the cars, you know, everything, all is not the cars, the super villas, it's being healthy inside. It's being conscious about life, about the life you're living, you know, for what you're doing this. There is the key. So I really hope you have the best life you can live.